Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you guys how you can create a nail art design using this luminous nail glitter glow in the dark nail decoration, and it is from the brand BeautyBigBang, and this is a design which I created using it. But before that, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and also notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting this design with 2 coats of this neon green nail polish on my index, middle and pinky finger, and 2 coats of black nail polish on my ring finger. And now I'm going to be applying this glow in the dark glitter on my ring finger. Now I'm using the same neon green nail polish and making a H shape on the ring finger and then filling the rest with it. I'm not applying a more amount of green nail polish, I'm just applying a minimum of it because I want the base to be sticky for the glitters to stick, and also I want the base to be little bit greenish because those glitters are green in color, and if by chance I miss any part or due to the course of time if the glitters come off, then because of the green base no one will be able to understand it. So it is always best to apply a same color base coat underneath the glitters. And now I'm throwing all this glow in the dark glitter over it, and using my fingers I'm slightly tapping it so that it sticks well. And also I'm making sure that it is properly sticking to every places, like it is properly applied at the border between the black and the green, and also near the cuticle. Now this glow in the dark glitter is chunky like a sugary particle, so it is always recommended to apply it properly near the cuticle, otherwise it won't look good. So using the finger, just push the glitter inside the nails and not outside of your cuticle. If you feel like that the glitter is coming off, then apply little bit more nail polish and then stick it. That's what I'm doing using the dotting tool. Now I will continue doing it until I feel like that it's enough and it's looking perfect. Now when you're applying this glow in the dark glitter, make sure you put a paper or something cloth underneath your hand so that you can restore the extra portion which fall off, because obviously you don't want to waste all those things because it is so beautiful and so magical. Next I'm applying some top coat on my middle finger at the top of it, and using these chameleon Swarovski beads I'm going to decorate it. Now first I'm applying 2 white leaf shaped chameleon Swarovski at the top in a V shape, and then I'm applying the black chameleon Swarovski in the middle, forming a flower type. Next I'm applying some top coat at the black border on the ring finger, and using the round shape white chameleon Swarovski I'm applying it at the border. Now for the index and pinky finger I'm not going to do anything, I will keep it just like that. But if you guys want, then you can apply this glow in the dark glitter at the top of both of this nail, or you can use some black nail polish and do some black dots. But I wanted the design to be as simple as I can, so I did like this. It is simple but it looks beautiful. So that is what I wanted, but if you want you can do a little bit more. Now I'm applying top coat over this glitter and also over the Swarovski beads so that it sticks well and it doesn't fall off in the course of time or due to wear and tear. And on the thumb I did same just like the ring finger, just the difference is that the black is at the top and the green is at the bottom, and I applied these glow in the dark glitters at the border just to create a beautiful design. Now let me switch off the light and see the glow magic. So let's come to the review part. So this glow in the dark glitter charges very quickly. You just keep it under sunlight or under light for few seconds to 1 minute and it charges fully and give a bright light. And you can create many designs using it, but it is kind of chunky, so it will be a textured finish, and that's it. So I will put the link of this product in the description box along with the BeautyBigBang website, so make sure you check it out if you guys are interested. And you can also use my code AURA10 to get 10% off whenever you purchase anything from the website. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet then make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.